Dow Jones and Nasdaq traded with modest bearish bias so far for the day. We have seen US30 again going to the next support levels at 37,700, where we have seen it bouncing back last time, not yesterday, but the last drop we have seen it is staying bullish from 37,700. While US100 is also now seeing 17,300 levels, which is indeed a very good support. So what to expect today? Remember, today is a critical day. Lot much of volatility, the PMI data, the FOMC decision, and then Chairman Powell's conference. So lot much of volatility. So whatever position and at whatever levels you are going to take, you have to note that you are trading with the trailing stop loss, and at least you are keeping the stop loss at your entry prices, because the volatility can kill all your profits and take down all your capital as well. You first thing is you have to safeguard your capital. Second thing is you have to ensure that you are taking the right entries. If the trade is getting close, you can re-enter. So with that, let's start. First Nasdaq, followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. I am Ankit Jain. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to this channel. And this is the only channel in the world which gives you twice a day targets, specifically with the technical analysis every day for indices, commodities, and thus subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. It is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First Nasdaq, followed with Dow. On the hourly charts, you can see Tech 100 is trading bearish here. It has formed lower lows, but at the same time, we must note this is trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average, and thus if you see it is staying. See, there was a reversal sign. It has reversed from 17,410 levels, and 17,410, 430 is the level at which we are going to see greater resistance. Now, see, after the drop, it is forming lower highs, lower lows, and thus if it stays above 17,400. 410 levels stay bullish, we can look forward to 450 and in fact 500 levels. This is going to be the target here, and this is going to be a greater resistance for the day. As stochastic rising from the bottom, MACD has also seen the bottom here, trying to cross over. It is trading with little divergence, which also calls for little bullishness. RSI is staying oversold, so possibility of a pullback is stronger. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour chart, see diminishing body size here, but also the preceding candle has left a room for it to drop on the downside. As long as now, I will say that as long as 17,410 is not taken, we have to be cautious. But I will say you can take a buying entry somewhere here at 17,380, but this is going to be little risky. Wait for it to break beyond 400, 420, and then if it breaks beyond this, certainly we can say the bulls might try to take over from here. If you also connect the dots here, you can find out, see, after the drop, Nasdaq 100 is still in this retracement channel, and it has almost hit the bottom here. So possibility of a reversal still exists. It can still continue to trade in this bullish channel, and thus if it stays beyond 17,500, we can say more bullish momentum is going to prevail. A reversal confirmation today is beyond 17,600. If you see the stochastic, this is coming out of the oversold zone. MACD, after forming double top, has seen sharp bearishness. It can reverse. RSI has also come to oversold zone. Coming to 3, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see first bearish candle, a swing here, lower highs here. It suggests that it can move towards lower lows, and now see once it breaks beyond 17,280, 17,300, we are looking forward to 17,200. If you recollect, or you can find out, this was the preceding drop where we have seen 17,200 acting as a very good support, and prices bouncing back from the same zone. Now this could happen again today, but right now I can look forward to higher lows and higher highs. So as long as now 17,300 to 80 is not taken, do not treat Nasdaq as bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD has seen a sharp U-turn here. It is trading bearish, and it has a further scope for it to drop. RSI coming to oversold zone. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation, but look at the greener candle, couple of retracement, and the current candle could be a reversal candle. Be watchful. MACD is sharply bearish, stochastic is oversold, and RSI coming to oversold as well. Coming to daily chart. Now if you look at the daily charts, and yes, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday. And in this batch, we are going to give you all our years of experience in a nutshell, with the help of tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setup which we have developed specifically for you, all, so that you can identify the profitable trades and trends, and you can trade profitably. Do not miss this journey. Join this learning mentorship batch and cherish the learning for life. Else, you can be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals also. You can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade with safe, secure, we can trade all the instruments and the broker which offers you a step-free account with the lowest spreads. You can find the recommended broker link. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads, and thus you can save much of your. Now see, on the daily charts, look at these two candles where it is closed and the current candles where it is trading. Thus this makes 17300 to 80 as a very good support zone. And also if you look at, see this higher lows here, and thus also it is very important for you to focus on 17300 280 zone. Any drop below 280 is a sign of bearishness which can take it towards 17200, and any drop below 17200 is a reversal confirmation towards 17000. What has happened? See, the first drop started here from 17800. What has happened here? Again, it has achieved the levels and it is continued with the drop. Also, the moving averages here were trading with divergence and it stays bearish. What has happened? Now, see, after the sharp drop, there is a possibility of a swing. Today is going to be a swing day. It can, in fact, achieve 17600 before falling. This is also one of the possibilities you cannot ignore. The stochastic has dropped sharply. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover. RSI is flat. So, considering this, I will recommend you to buy here 17360 zone. Expected to move towards 17410 420 and then 400. 450 rather, I will say. This is definitely an achievable level beyond which you can look forward to 17500 as the first target, and then you have to keep trailing. Then the next we are looking forward to 17570 17620 as the next resistance zone. Any move beyond 17600 should bring more bulls, but I do not see it breaking beyond 17800. And see, these are markets, a slight hint of positivity from or hopes of rate cut soon from Chairman Powell is going to reverse the market completely. Then 17800 will be a cakewalk for Tech 100. So you have to be trading with caution. On the downside, below 17300 280 zone, you can take a sell entry for 17240 200 as the first targets. Below 17200 is where the bears will take over. Still 170 and then 100. These are the next target levels. Below 17100, 17000 is going to be breached. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at the US30 on the hourly charts. Drop, retracement, reversal sign, then the drop. It is forming a good support at 37700, and yes, it is a good support. I'll show you on the daily charts. Now see, it is showing a reversal sign, but it is failing to rise here. We have to wait for it to break beyond 37800, first resistance zone, and then we can look forward for it to move towards this zone here at 37860 880, the first resistance zone. Beyond 37860 880, you can look forward for 38,000, 37,980, 38,100. This is going to be the zone which I will be looking forward to if it continues to bounce back. Stochastic at bottom, MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trying to trade with very minimal divergence. RSI is staying oversold. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour charts, likewise bearishness here, lower highs, lower lows. Wait for it to break beyond 37,800, then 860 880, and then you can look forward to close to 38,000, and in fact 38,100 as well. MACD here, stochastic is looking down. MACD has seen sharp bearishness. I will wait for it to converge, crossover, and reverse. RSI is staying oversold. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar is the observation. Only thing is here is the diminishing bearishness, which calls for a reversal here. Right now also it is trading bearish, but I do expect a reversal very soon. MACD bearish, RSI oversold, and stochastic is oversold as well. All the indicators are pointing towards the oversold levels. However, look at the 4 hour chart. See, after the flat bottom, it is reversed, and see, it has formed lower highs. Thus lower lows also again can be expected. And if you see it is staying beyond 37 860 880 zone, consider that a very good rise is going to be seen very soon here. You should note that it has breached the support levels. This is the support zone, this is the support zone. This is definitely a very good support zone. The stochastic is oversold here. MACD is trading bearish here as well. RSI is at bottom. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, look at the preceding candles, lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade bearish here. Yes, it is getting a good support zone here. You can also find out last time what has happened. It has got the support here. Also, one should note that none of the candles closed above 37,750 levels. None of the candles closed below 37,750. So once it bounces back beyond 37,750, again it is going. stay on the path of reversal. Now see what has happened. In fact, with these few candles, it has achieved the lows. Now where is the double bottom levels? It is far below 37,300 towards 37,200 levels. Now today is the day anything can happen, and yes, I can notice that it is still staying in the box, and thus as long as it stays above 37 750 and 800 levels, we can expect a pullback. If you look at the MACD, this is crossing over here for sell, but this is coming from a very lower levels. RSI is at the bottom and stochastic is already looking downwards. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy US30 today at 37,800 levels. Expect 860, 880 as the first resistance zone, and then we can look forward to in fact 37,970, 38,100 levels as achievable levels at the next targets. Beyond 38,100 is where the bulls will take over, and as long as 38,400 is not taken, do not treat US30 as bullish. It can show you good swings. On the downside, a selling entry is very clear here at 37,700 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards 37,600, and in fact I will say 37,550, which is achievable level here. Below that 37,430, and then 37,300. Take your positions accordingly. It can lead to a second red candle, but I see that there should be a great support. It should bounce back before looking forward to a drop. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch always the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, join the mentorship batch and the signals channel for trading profitably. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. All the contact details are shared in the channel and video description.